I think it goes hand in hand with two things that are, I think part of potential predictions, right? One is possible economic downturn, right? And who knows? There's a lot of pundits and there's a lot of people who say one thing or another. A lot of experts, who are not 100% sure, but have been predicting an inevitable turn the other way because there's been a turn up, right, for quite some time. But I think if that happens, I think it's going to exacerbate this problem of how much does it cost me today to acquire new customers? And if I don't have enough first party data to power my ability to get new prospects, new customers, new audiences to my brand, and then eventually as a true new customer of my brand, then in a bad economic downturn, like that's going to get worse, and it means that it follows a second trend of your dollar has to be stretched so much more efficiently than it had to before, right? Like you could have been liberal with your dollars before, knowing that you're using digital, using third-party audiences, et cetera, you're going to get a decent return. And maybe what's going to happen is like, if things go sideways, whatever that means, then you don't have the tools and technology, you're, because you procrastinated, just full loop, you're going to be really left behind or, really struggling to remain competitive.
Yeah, it's a scary feeling. I mean, you could have data coming from all different sources aligning with the economic downturn. There could be layoffs, there could be companies that close. You could have a rep that you work with that's been pushing data over to you who vanishes one day and you never hear from them again. So having that independence kind of solidifies you as crazy economic downturns or upturns, come our way. And also, helps kind of make you stay independent through any issues that might happen, like data breaches or whatever, knowing that it's all yours and that you're in control and you control the floodgates of where and when that data comes through. It might make life a little bit easier.